So they've been putting a fence in. It's PVC fencing, it clips all together. This is like the finished product. I have to just go line it up a little bit more, but it's just all PVC right down the side of the house, and then it all clips together in here. So you've got the bottom rail has a bit of aluminium, give it more strength, but other than that it's quite thick. Yeah, it's pretty strong considering it's just downpipe material really. I'll show you how it works. You've got a couple of tangs either side, and then virtually I'm going to attempt to do it with one hand and hold the camera at the same time, which is always good. And you grab it and you just lift it and then give it a bit of a try the tap. That's it. That easy. And once you sort of clip it together, I sort of do that, and then to get the right height, because I'll put like a bit of a lintel underneath the whole thing, you virtually just put a bit of pine underneath it, which gives you pretty roughly the same height as the top of that. And then once you've done that, you put the rails in, which I'll show you, and then this one here, this front fence, is going to have like slats all along the top of it. And see, this one here has got no slats, it's just straight across. It's going to have little slats so you can see through it. Yeah, that's the finished product. Sort of comes as a full kit. It doesn't have the rails, the posts, that's separate. You get the posts like that, and then you get all the paneling comes in one box. So you've got under here, you've got the full, all the little rails, I suppose, that go along, and then you've got the PVC. It's all perforated to put each one in. So yeah, it's a pretty simple kit. Each box has its own, everything ready to go. It's just all clipped together. Really simple. Also get gates, which I've got, and this is a full privacy one, and this one's the front gate, so it's perforated. It's ready to go. It comes with hinges and everything in the kit as well. So we're now clipping all these in place, and then what we're going to do is we've got this top rail here which will go on the top, but before that happens we've got all these little posts that go in the top, so I'll grab a couple of them. So these go along here like this, and those clip, and they clip all the way along, and then we put the top rail on. So yeah, we're just clipping them in now. Just like that. Work my way along, and then once I get to the end, it's just that easy. So what I've done now is I've rolled some fake turf out. So I've got, it doesn't look that real actually. I thought it'd be a bit more realistic than that, but I only put a bit of sand in it, and apparently helps it flick up a bit more. But it's not as green as I thought, because we're in Tassie. It's just so green all the time. It's quite obvious that it's not as green. What green does it? Yeah, it doesn't really tell much, does it? But yeah, anyway, I've rolled it out, and then I'm going to cut the end to the right length, and then I'm going to drag it over to here, and that should be allow enough for a bit of a garden bed down this corner here. And then we'll put another garden along this bit here. It's all low maintenance, that's the plan. That's a final completed job. And this is inside. Got the fake turf down, just gotta notch a couple of bits and pieces along here. But that can wait for another day. I've got to go get some dirt for the garden beds next. So at the moment I'm just putting the gate on. Just got it chopped up there just for enough room for it to swing. And now just got to put the latch onto there. So give it a bit of a wiggle. There we go. Oh, I want to go back that way. There we go. Just got to put a couple more screws in the back there. And then, yeah, it's pretty good, this latch actually. So just push it and it just opens. It's pretty good. You have to do the old reach around on it. Just give it a push. I'll put a couple of screws into there and should be done with that.